We're proud to introduce our all-new Builders Warehouse Boksburg. We've spent months planning and constructing this mega store that will be used as a reference for our new stores and renovations moving forward. The design and layout create a seamless shopping experience that brings in a range of new services and products, departmental adjacencies and digital integration. We aim to ensure that this hybrid of the latest technology with personable, helpful service will educate and inspire customers to make informed DIY, home improvement and construction choices. Join us as we take a look at what you can expect at the all-new Builders. Paint gets prominence as the focal point of our store. That pop of color and sophisticated design makes it easy to get excited about paint. Good coffee makes great relationships, and our partnership with Vida E-Cafe, together with our new meeting hub, offers convenience to anyone who visits our store. Home automation is a growing international trend. We've partnered with Vodacom to bring tailor-made solutions that suit your budget and lifestyle. Need a key cut? Get it done while you shop. We've increased the size of our garden center and its location within the store, moving it closer to outdoor furniture and with its own entrance for convenience. Here's an exciting new addition to our product range. Get the latest trends in complete flat pack furniture solutions. Style, value and convenience just got an upgrade. Choosing the best cover for your floors and walls must be fun. Play with swatches and various options to get a feel for what will work best for you. We've incorporated technology throughout with 44 high-definition screens enabled by free Wi-Fi. You can place orders and shop our extended range or view promotions and search for production information and inspirational DIY content. This is how online meets the store floor. Workwear has been given a contemporary facelift with our store-within-a-store concept, making it much easier to shop and even try on clothing. And we won't judge you if you make it weekend wear as well. We've enhanced our cut shop to create a central point for all your cutting needs. We cut any made-to-measure material, from electrical wires to rope, chains and more. Our store has a strong focus on our trade and commercial customers. A full-service contractor's counter makes it easy and convenient to open an account, get expert advice, look for products, place orders, basically anything you need to get the job done. And now you can hire tools in-store. We've transformed the yard to facilitate ease of entry and exit, and increased its size by more than 70% to accommodate the growing business in Ekurhuleni. We are one of the first retailers in Africa to provide 3D printing. Prototyping, domestic replacement parts, modeling and much more is now a reality for you. Another new service is our design and installation hub. A design team is available to help you design a range of home and DIY projects, such as kitchens, roof trusses and more. We will also install products sold. That's it. Everything DIY, home improvement and building and construction is under one roof at the all-new Builders Warehouse Boksburg. Get to Builders. Get it done.